man. Get some hot dogs. Alright. So funny. What is that noise? Alright, whatever.
Shut this go.
What?
I'm gonna eat them hot dogs without it, even though it's not hot or cold.
That's pretty messed up, but whatever, I don't care. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just make me some pizza nuggets, whatever. Hey kids, you food ready? What are you doing here?
What? I want some food.
Jesus.
Well, see. Hey, get back here, boy.
What?
Well, you see, I didn't eat the hot dogs.
But you took the
Come on, man, this is filler. Go, come on.
I'm sorry, guys, but there's no food today.
Why not?
Because more than 80 all, like always.
Wait, then why you say why not?
What?
Where you go?
Where you going?
Wait, you guys hear that sound?
What is that sound?
What is that? How you guys go check it out. I'm finna stay in the kitchen because I'm a little loser.
No, guys, we gotta go get the others. I mean, you don't know what could it be.
It doesn't matter. They shouldn't even be in the video in the first start. KPB.
Alright, guys, let's go check out the sound.
Alright, see you later. I'm sitting in the kitchen.
Iggy, are you making that noise?
What noise?
You don't hear it?
No.
Please tell me you hear that noise.
Well, sorry, I mean, I don't hear it. So, are you sure you're not making the noise?
Yeah, I'm just watching my video. How can I possibly even be making the noise?
Boys, you look so suspicious. Look at you.
What's that noise for real?
You know what? You keep lying to us. We're gonna go tell Bowser on you.
Yeah.
It's just a frying pan, guys.
Dad!
Who are you?
Who are you? What are you doing? Where's our dad?
What are you guys doing here? What are you doing with our dad?
What?
Mom,
I'm done with you, okay? I'm done. You got 3 people with the same as you.
Come now! Come now! I don't even know these people. Anyways, what's the problem, kids?
Iggy's making noise.
Wait.
Snitches?
Hold up. Wait. Get out.
Go!
Alright, okay, so now, Iggy's making noise in there.
Alright, tell him come here.
Oh, okay. Iggy, come here! Get off me, you fatties. Will you want your rudeness?
Alright, here's the problem. You're playing that loud noise, right?
No, what?
Alright, listen. You keep playing that loud noise. I'm gonna shove your science experiments up your teeth! Oh, take away your dolls!
I don't have any dolls.
Wait, you guys hear that?
Oh, that breath.
What is that noise?
See, I told you guys, it wasn't even me.
Wait. Didn't I tell you stop making that?
Man, no one cares if it's someone making that
I'm
noise.
telling you,
Wait.
it's not him. I don't think it's him.
I got.
Hey, but if you don't get off me,
I got nice treatment. I got nice treatment.
Hey, get off of me. Get off.
Where's that noise? Oh, my ears! Oh!
You know, you got guys. Calm down, everybody. I realized something.
What?
We don't even got ears. But stop breaking the fourth wall, Iggy. I'm just telling the truth.
Stop!
I'm just telling the truth. We don't got ears, guys. Come on.
Let's just go see what that noise is.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Wait a second. Oh, I don't have the materials to pee.
What would you have the materials to pee?
You don't either. So wait a second. You're pointing a gun at me. What are you doing?
Well, I'm pointing a gun at you because so I can shut down sound of yours up.
I'm not making no sound.
You got 5 seconds before I hit you with this gun, dude. What is happening in there? I need to get my phone. I need my phone.
You don't even have to be not gonna do it like that. That's pretty crazy.
I need my phone! Hurry up in there!
Do Koopas?
Wait, my phone!
What was all that noise? You were banging on the door.
Do you want to get shot?
I'm done.
What? Do you want to get shot?
No.
Then get out.
Where's my phone?
Your phone is not in here.
Where's my phone?
Your phone is not in here.
You don't tell me where my phone is right now, I'm gonna kill you.
Now, where was we? Oh, yeah. Any last word, buddy?
That was a nice bathroom break.
That's gay.
What do you mean?
You used the bathroom with me? I don't want to.
Yeah, exactly. How was you in there while I was in there?
Wait, what the heck? What's going on?
Oh, whoa.
Please don't kill me. Time for you to die, buddy. What's the boy? I'm taking this dead body, though. Hey, I'm not dead.
What is all that noise? Jeez.
Well,
you guys hear it?
At least I get to be on your adventure, right?
Oh, yeah. Wait, hold on. Where's Wendy at?
Oh, you do not want to know, buddy.
Oh. Why not? Let's just go. Okay.
Jeez, little crybaby.
After him!
Oh, you fatty! What's going on? What's that sound?
Guys, help me out here.
Man, this smells good.
Hey, can you put me down?
Oh, something smells good.
Put me down.
Let's go. Let's go.
I finally made me some food. Time to eat.
Ah! Chef Disco, how dare you?
Jeez, you gotta be that rough on Luke, wait.
Man, that's what he gets for making that noise
man.
anyway.
I came too early. So did you guys find who's making that noise?
No!
Well, then get out of here. What's my problem?
Oh, because you're eating the food.
Who cares?
I care.
Listen here. Smart mouth me again. I'll slap you across the face. I'm done. See you.
Hey, get back here with the food.
I dropped it. You guys did it now. Y'all gonna get bust up today.
Fall back. What's all the noise out there? Damn it, are you alright?
Drugs. Oh my god. I'm alright, man. Who's making that noise anyway? What?
Well, I guess it's you, little man.
For the last time.
What's that noise?
Wait! We don't have ears.
Stop breaking the fourth wall, man.
Wait, who is really making that sound?
Wait, is that him right there?
It is him.
What?
Well,
On three.
wait, hold on.
Three.
Hey, you just gotta do fusion.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Hurry up.
My name is Luddy, and I will destroy you.
What's happening? Oh my goodness, we lost the fusion.
Of course we lost the fusion. He hit us with the powerful blast.
Crap. Wait, how are we gonna kill him?
Cause we gotta work together for real now.
Well, we finally ended him off.
Well, the thing is, what if there's more? I never.
Yeah,
mind.
we'll just sell them. Right, Cool Plus Bros? Yeah, exactly. Alright, so are you guys ready to go eat? What? Bro, I'm about to go eat.
That was a full, cause Morton ate it all.
Oh man, Iggy, are you making that noise?
It's already too late anyway, so just cut the clip. 2 or